Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Elasticsearch dashboards for UI search analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Elasticsearch dashboards for UI search analytics, start by ensuring you have a running instance of Elasticsearch. Download and install Kibana, which is the visualization layer for Elasticsearch. Once installed, open Kibana in your web browser. Navigate to the Kibana settings and configure the connection to your Elasticsearch instance. In the Kibana configuration file, update the Elasticsearch URL to point to your instance. Restart the Kibana service to apply the new configuration settings. After Kibana is up and running, access the Kibana interface. Create an index pattern that matches the data you want to visualize. The index pattern allows Kibana to understand the data structure in Elasticsearch. Select the appropriate time field for your data if prompted. Once the index pattern is created, head to the Discover section in Kibana to explore the data. To build visualizations, navigate to the Visualize section. Choose the type of visualization that best represents your search analytics. Configure the visualization by selecting the index pattern and setting the required metrics and buckets. Save the visualization after configuring it to your preferences. Next, go to the Dashboard section in Kibana. Create a new dashboard and add your previously saved visualizations. Arrange and resize the visualizations to fit your analytic needs on the dashboard. Once satisfied with the layout, save the dashboard for future access. To share your dashboard, use the share options to generate a link or embed code. You can also schedule reports if your Kibana version supports this feature. Finally, monitor the dashboard regularly to analyze UI search performance effectively. Familiarize yourself with filtering options within your dashboard for more granular analysis. Review user interactions and adapt your analysis based on the insights gathered from your dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.